Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and today we are finally going to Mahakumbh. We are on our way from Ayodhya to Prayagraj. The road is only single road. It's a state highway, so it's a single road, not a two-lane road. We took a lot of time and we just traveled like 40-45 kilometers and we stopped for breakfast. As usual, today is Monday, so I am not eating anything because on Monday I am fasting. So I'm just taking juice, tea or coffee, and we just stopped by. From here is like 3 hours drive more. I'm gonna be driving now for like one and a half hour more. We are two drivers, so we can switch places and be more comfortable and relaxed in the journey. Stop for to eat paranthas. They both are taking paranthas. I will take tea. So let's go. I will not shoot so much the way because I want to go and skip directly in this video to the main attraction, to the main place, to the main festival, the Mahakumbh, the biggest festival on planet. We reached Prayagraj finally. We just entered. There is police barricading everywhere, so you cannot pass through it. But we found a sneak-in way through Google Map. We looked, zoom in, and we found. So we are just. I am not eating. So Bhaiya and Pratham will just take snacks right now. And this is how one's typical shops, right? He has some kind of samosa, some kind of charos. Then there is sweets, and he's making chai right here. Look how is his oven. So he put the wood down, and after putting the wood down, he used the coal or the wood and to heat the chai. Something very traditional from here. Right now you cannot see the people here because still we are like 10 kilometers away from the main point. So the police don't let you go more inside, and they just stop you outside, and you need to park there your car and then walk everywhere. But we found a sneak-in way. So yeah, these are very famous jalebis from here. These are the samosas. And these are some kind of snack sweet. These are also sweets right there up, and this is the chai that he is making, and this is his plate. It looks a little bit dirty, but it's clean because he keep using this all over the day, but no one touches it with their bare hands. Guys, we just reached and we parked our car. Here is the parking, and after this we need to go almost 3 kilometers from here towards that side. But I am on fast, so I will eat some peanuts and let's go. Guys, we are now walking inside. So there are a lot of barricading, eating bananas because of the fast. Let's see, we just need to walk 2 kilometers to our destination, not so far. Started in the little lanes of Prayagraj. This is how it looks. The drainage is open on both the sides. The other side the drainage is closed, somewhere the drainage is open. If there is no festival here, it's a very small city and underdeveloped. Guys, this is the famous cabritos, the goats of India. Full pack for winters. Guys, look at these ducks. There is the river. The eyes were dying to see this, and we finally are seeing what we are seeing. It's a whole city, temporary city. Whole city guys. Today also there must be like 10 million people here. For this is what we came for, guys. The world biggest festival. We have one of our friend who is already staying here with one of the Babas or the Guruji or the saints or the sadhus. So we are going to meet him and we'll be staying with him tonight. And tomorrow we'll take the dip in the river and we'll go back. and also there are many temples here and there, so you will see a lot of temples here, very beautiful temples in the city of Prayagraj, the city where the three rivers meet, the Ma Ganga, the Ma Yamuna, e Ma Saraswati. Madre Ganga, Madre Saraswati, e Madre Yamuna. Now you will see a lot of sadhu babas here and there. For example, this side you can see some sadhus are sitting with their bags and everything. We are here, we just entered the main Kumbh festival area, and here you can see big tents of different babas or the sadhus, and here all the sadhus and babas have their private thing for their followers, for other people to help. And this festival is basically of the sadhus that I told you, and these tents represent different babas or the sadhus that are here. We are just, if you can see, there are many like this, many. If you see that side also there is one more. We are just starting to come here, so you will see more and more people, and all are going towards the river, and as we go towards the river there will be more and more people. Let's go. We are just left 500 meters more. Also there are followers from different sects, from Krishna, from Ram, from different gods, Shiva, Vishnu, and these are the Krishna party. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Guys, and there are camels also in the festival. You will see a lot of things, different things, very unique things, and these are all celebrating the festival of Mahakumbh.
रात में दिखता है पैसा ये अडानी रुका हुआ था
12 साल बाद आया महाकुंभ.
शाम को उठता हूँ तो अलग नज़ारा है.
एक नहीं कहीं भाई खुले थे.
वो जमाने गए जब छोटे थे.
तो गाइस हम यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं हमारे श्री 1008 धर्मेंद्र दास त्यागी जी महाराज, और यहाँ हम बालक दास जी के पास आए हैं गुड़गांव से. आ जाओ गाइस, आपको लेके चलता हूँ अंदर. तो अभी हम यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, और शायद सुबह 3 बजे जो हम स्नान करेंगे, उससे पहले हम जो है यहाँ पर बाबा जी के पास आए शिविर में, और सारे जो भाई हैं अपने अंदर बैठे हैं, और अभी आपको उन सब लोगों से मिलवाता हूँ, अंदर बाबा जी से मिलवाता हूँ. तो ये हमारे गुड़गांव जी के बाबा हैं, तो आ जाओ आपको अंदर लेके चलता हूँ मैं. और ये जो है अभी हम जो है सेक्टर 17 सेक्टर में, और यहाँ पर जो है अन्नपूर्ण मार्ग के पास है. अगर लोकेशन बताऊँ तो यहाँ से त्रिवेणी घाट जो है, हम ऑलमोस्ट जो अभी हमने आपको लोकेशन दिखाई थी वहाँ से 3 किलोमीटर वॉक करते हुए आए हैं इस तरफ, और यहाँ से जो है आज मैं आपको अंदर लेके चलता हूँ थोड़ी सी. तो गाइज उस तरफ जो है मंदिर बना हुआ है और सारी व्यवस्था है, और ये गौशाला है, गंगा गौशाला गुड़गांव से, वहाँ से हम जो है उन्हीं के स्थान पे है. तो यहाँ जो है सब भाई बैठे हुए अपने. जय राम जी की, जय श्री राम, ओम नमः शिवाय, जय महादेव. और यहाँ पर जो है हम इनके पास आए हुए हैं, और महाराज जी श्री तो यहाँ आए हम. और आज जो है, आज पूर्णिमा है और कल हमारी मकर संक्रांति है. यहाँ पर जो है पहला शाही स्नान जो है वो होएगा, और उसी को हम देखने और समझने आए हैं, और बाबा जी से कनेक्ट होने आए हैं. तो यहाँ पर सब बड़े बाबा जी बैठे हैं, हमारे छोटे भाई बैठे हैं, बड़े भाई बैठे हैं, सारे यहाँ एक साथ. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कहाँ पर है हम. Guys, here is the शिविर. There was the idols right there, and इधर जो है, and here the people are taking prasad, and there is everything for everyone. So if they want to sleep, there are things over here. There are tents, 1, 2, 3. There is car parking. There are also cows here. So everything is here, and if you want to sleep here, there is everything for to sleep. And that side is the mandir. mandir or the temple you say, and here also people can sleep. They have enough blankets and everything. Shivers that you see, all the places are like this. Here, there. Whatever you are seeing inside is like this, and inside when you enter, in one part, like one Guruji, one Baba, or who is doing his meditation. So there you can see here they have the flags of God and goddesses, and the color saffron means spirituality in India. So spirituality in India is considered uh, to be the spiritual color, and everyone follows that spiritual color. Spiritual color of the saint signifies peace and a lot many things. So we're just gonna take rest over here, and after that we're gonna be going for to take a dip in the Ganga and Yamuna, basically the Sangam or the confluence of three rivers, Ma Ganga, Ma Saraswati, Ma Yamuna, and we're gonna be with them all the night till the morning. And tomorrow morning is the actual day that one of the 5 snans will take place, or the one of the 5 bathing days will take place. So yeah, pretty excited. We are going with the flow like a river. We don't have any plans as such now, just the bathing, and everyone is equal over here. So yeah, that also signifies a lot of things. And the total area of the Mahakumbh is 50 square kilometers. So it's a lot of area, and all the places are like this. The land is like this because these are the banks of river. And other than that, they have put some steel plates down so people can move easily, and they don't get stuck in sand, and they don't have the sand on their shoes so much. Only inside is like this. So if we go outside, I'll show you how it looks. And there is a lot of police over there. That guy in color green is police. And here you can see there are the plates. These are the iron plates. So here the cars don't sleep. If you can see, there is the track also of iron plates. And here we are in Mahakumbh, Prayagraj, and somewhere very near to Lord Shiva. So I don't know how to express this emotion. I don't know how to tell about you these emotions, because these emotions are deep rooted in our religion. So guys, it's 10:30 in the night, and the music is a little low right now. Everyone is resting in their places like this one. So everyone, there is one of this. So there are all over the place in 50 kilometers, square kilometers. And if you can see, the place is clean. All this path was a little dirty before, but it's been clean. And here are the garbage bag here. So the system is very good here, even if there are almost 40 lakh people here today. So looking at that in 50 square kilometers, everywhere the same thing is happening. They are cleaning up, they are putting the garbage in the garbage bags, and soon one car will come or one truck will come to take the garbage bag. And this is how 50 square kilometers of the area will be clean, guys. So you can imagine 50 square kilometers of area and 40 lakh people. That's how much the potential it holds from here. And you can see there are cars all from here. They entered yesterday in the area, so they are allowed to stay here. They can go out, but they cannot come back. So this is how it's work. This is how it is working, the system here. And the system that is made is very good. It's very ancient. It's not just that started right now. It's here for decades, guys. So I'll cut off here, and we are just resting right now for some time, and after that we'll go at 3 a.m. in the for the river. We'll walk like 5 kilometers from here to take the dip. So this is all right now happening here in Mahakumbh. Guys, after resting in the shivir, in the camp for almost 2-3 hours, after taking dinner there, not dinner, basically the prasad. Prasad is like the one offering that the saint or the sadhu give to the followers. So we took the prasad. We eat tortillas, rotis basically. No rotis. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? किक्कड़. And vegetables of potato, lentils. We chilled and then we come here to drink some chai. Here is Neri Bhaiya chilling. Neri Bhaiya has a lot of energy, more than us. The looks of Neri Bhaiya. The color orange is for the saints. Guys, here are the little installments as you can see. So installations here of chai, coffee, some snacks, some biscuits, some refreshment, and here we are sitting here right here, everyone with the fire, talking to strangers, totally strangers, but yeah, having fun, chilling, relaxing. And here is the other shop where we took. So this is how it looks at 11 p.m. in the night. There are cars here, but we couldn't bring our car, no problem. We are going to take rest now. It's 1 a.m. in the morning, and finally we are heading back to our place, to our ashram, temporary tent, but yeah, our ashram. Let's go, guys. There it is. Guys, this is where we stay in the night. All of us were in the bed, but there were no blankets, so we just lie down like this with two jackets, each one of us. And other people had blankets, but we were late to reach, so we didn't had any blankets. And we spent the whole night awake, being like this on the floor. But yeah, we had a small blanket below us, basically a sleeping bag open for to chill up there and relax a little warm. But of course it was more warm than the outside, because the outside was like 8 degrees. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing.